Hello and welcome to the Swedish lesson. This is Swedish for Beginners, lesson 14. In this video, you will learn how to pronounce the numbers 20 to 29. There will be some exercises with answers, and you will learn the 20 sound. So we will go through some pronunciation. Now, listen to the pronunciation of the numbers 20 to 29. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now listen and repeat after me. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, let's do the first exercise. I want you to listen and write down what number do you hear. Vilket tal hör du? And it should be numbers between 20 and 29. 23, 20, 27, 28, 22, 29, 25, 21, 24, 26. And here is the answers of that exercise. Okay, let's do the same exercise, but this time you will be expecting numbers from 10 to 29. Okay. Vilket tal hör du? 17, 14, 29, 13, 27, 10, 19, 22, 20, 12. And here are the answer of that exercise. This is another exercise, but this time I want you to write down what number the words are saying. So let's pause the video and write down. And here is the answer of that exercise. And here is the last exercise. I want you to write down the number with letters. Så skriv siffran, talet med bokstäver. So write the number with letters. So pause the video and let's do this exercise. And here are the answers. Let's go through some pronunciation. In the Swedish language, we have something called the tjugo-ljudet, which basically means the 20 sound. And the phonemic symbol of that sound is this symbol here. And the sound is sh. sh, sh. Now I will read out some words where the sh sound is pronounced. I just want you to listen to the pronunciation of these words. Tjugo, tjugo. Tjej, tjej. Tjena, tjena. Kina, Kina. Kemi, kemi. Kyrka, kyrka. Kär, kär. Kör, kör. Käll, käll. Charter, charter. Now let's try to pronounce the 20 sound. So as a help, as a guide, you can try to push the tongue, so the middle of the tongue is pressed against the palate, and the teeth should be closed, and the lips should be open. So let's try to produce the sound sh, 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 sh. If you look at these words, you can see that the beginning of the word is spelled differently, even though they produce the same sh sound, which means that there are different spelling for the sh sound. So the first spelling option is the letter K, that is followed by one of these soft vowels. For example, Kina, kemi, kyrka, kär och kör. Second spelling is TJ, tjugo, tjej, tjena. The third spelling of way is KJ, käll. And the last spelling is CH, charter. If we compare the K, so like I said, the K, when it's followed by a soft vowel, it gets the sh sound. But if K is followed by a hard vowel, it has a K sound, like katt, konst, kunskap, kol. So you can see the difference here. So K with a soft vowel, sh sound. K with a hard vowel followed by a hard vowel is a k sound. Okay, let's do the last exercise. This time I want you to listen and put down whether you hear tjugo-ljudet or k-ljudet. The tjugo sound or k sound. So I will say words and you have to choose if you can hear the tjugo sound or k sound. Okay, so let's start. Number 1. Ett. Tjej. 2. Katt. 3. Kunskap. 4. Kyrka. 5. Kär. And here are the answers for that exercise. I just want to mention that this word can mean 2 different things depending on how you pronounce it. So it can be pronounced kör, and it can also be pronounced kör. So it means that this word, K followed by a soft vowel, can be pronounced as the tjugo sound and the K sound. So kör, like I mentioned before, means to drive, but kör means a choir. Thank you for watching Swedish for Beginners lesson 14. I will see you in lesson 15. Thank you very much. Hej då!